Hi, welcome to OhmAzing Living. I'm Carla, and this is a short, guided meditation for those moments of the day when you may be struggling with anger or frustration. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position wherever you may be. If you are in an office, wherever you are, find a way to make yourself comfortable and begin by closing your eyes. Let's take a big, deep inhale in through your nostrils. Open your mouth slightly and a big sigh out with an ah. Relax your jaw. One more time. Big, deep inhale in through your nostrils. Open your mouth and sigh it out. Ah. Allow that frustration to release. Let's do two more. Deep inhale in. Long, slow exhale out. Continuing to release our frustration. One more deep breath in. On your last exhale, relax the muscles of your mind as you say, ah. Let the muscles of your mind release your thoughts and send those thoughts out into space for a few moments. Go ahead and let go of control of your breath and just begin by breathing normally. Allow yourself to relax. Oftentimes throughout the stress of the day, things don't go the way we would like them to, or people push our buttons and we lose our peace. Maybe we lose our cool and yell or say things we wish we hadn't in the heat of the moment. It happens. Continue breathing slowly in and out through your nostrils, and take your focus into your heart center. Show some compassion to yourself. Just slowly breathing in and out. And remember that nothing that others do is personal. Yes, it may be intentional, but it's not really personal. It is a projection of how they are. And oftentimes how they are is just as frustrated and stressed as we are. And it comes out in unfortunate ways that dampen our day. Continue allowing yourself to relax and slow your heart rate down. Slow, intentional breathing helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system and bring our bodies back into homeostasis. When you've been able to slow your breath and begin to settle, it is then that you can begin to handle whatever the situation calls for. Tune into your intuition and just listen. Take the next few moments to just breathe and listen. When the emotional part of the situation has worn off, maybe then you are able to replay the situation calmly in your mind. Step back and watch the situation as if you were watching a TV show. Notice both parties as if they are people you don't know. Watch their body language and words. What do you see and hear? Reflect on this for a few moments. Now that you've had a few moments to objectively reflect on the situation, do you see anywhere in that encounter where you may have been able to do things differently to help the situation? If there's nothing that you can see, what is your intuition telling you about to handle the event? Take as much time as you need to breathe and contemplate. You can stop the meditation tape if you'd like. Remember, we are trying to calm ourselves and contemplate our actions. We do not want to go down the rabbit hole of reliving the situation emotionally. If the situation is still too fresh in your mind, just sit and focus on the inward and outward flow of your breath. I'll give you a few moments to sit and slowly calm and relax your body, and you choose whether you need to take more time to breathe or if you'd like to take the time to tune into your intuition and allow the solution to arise. Begin to bring your awareness back into the room. Notice any sounds around you and be aware of the space that you're in. Take 2 sips of air in through your nostrils, and on your exhale, an audible sigh. One more time, 2 sips in, and On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes, readjust to the room, and when you're ready, move forward with your day. If you need to contemplate this event when it's not so fresh in your mind, listen to this later after you've been able to let the emotional aspect of the situation leave you. Allow yourself to feel those emotions and then let them go. Then revisit the event and see if you see things differently. Make sure that your behavior was aligned before you make any attempts to deal with the situation. If you feel that you may have responded poorly, make sure to make your amends first before trying to work through the rest of the situation. I hope that you are feeling better and can move forward with your day in a mindful, peaceful way. Thanks for joining me. I wish you the best of all things in life. Know that you are worthy and you are loved. Go in peace. Shanti, Shanti.